ever thought, if I say my eyes, my hands, my heart, then who is the I that owns them?
Man, in his ignorance, identifies himself with the material sheaths which encompass his real self. What is that real self? When I say my hands, my feet, my eyes, my ears, who is that I? My body. Who's that I? Who's that Ana? Who's that Khudi? Allama Iqbal actually attached so much importance to this that his system of thought has been termed and titled the philosophy of self, the philosophy of Khudi, falsafa Khudi, because that is the most basic concept. I am not this body alone. I possess this body. I am something independent of it. When I say my pen, I possess this pen. This my is possessive mood of the pronoun. My chair, my table. Likewise, my hand, my feet, my eyes, my ears. This ana, this khudi, this self, it has all the iman in it. But because it is wrapped in these material sheets, these things, they have gone down very deep into the unconscious. Now, what is the need is to raise it up from the unconscious, depths of the unconscious mind, to the level of consciousness. This is what I meant when I said actualization of something which is potential, or activation of something which is dominant, That iman is in man. Now, Quran says every natural phenomenon, every creation of Allah is a sign. This is most basic term of Quran. Ayah is a signs. And what is the sign? In Urdu we translate it as nishani. What is nishani? Your friend gave to you in the many years before something as a gift. Maybe a pen, maybe something else. It was lying somewhere, buried in some of your boxes. And it so happens that sometime you open the box and you see that thing. And instantaneously you remember there's no logic involved here. No conscious effort involved here. You didn't want to remember your friend. You didn't put in any effort to remember him. And he had gone deep in your memory. He was there, but he had gone very deep in the memory. But when you saw an article, something, a pen or a handkerchief, anything, you instantaneously remember. This is nishani. In that way, everything Allah has created is a nishani for you. Inna fi khalqis samawati wal ardi wa ikhtilafil layli wan nahari laayatin liulil. Verily, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those who ponder over them, who don't pass by them just like animals. They see the things as they are, but they cannot see beyond the things. An Urdu couplet has come to my mind. Ahle nazar, zauq-e nazar khoob hai lekin, jo shay ki haqiqat ko na dekhe wo nazar kya. And one of the prayers of the Prophet have been reported is, Allahumma arini haqiqat al-ashya'i kamal. Oh Lord, show me the reality and the essence of the things, the essence of the being. Well, the external forms, a dog is also seeing. If you have seen that a car is coming from the opposite direction, the dog has also seen it. And he will also try to save himself. What's the difference? A goat has seen the tree, and she knows whether to eat its leaves or not by very instinct. But when man sees something, he sees beyond it, behind it. And that's actually human vision. There is the most profound ayah in this respect is in Surah Al-Baqarah. Inna fi khalqis samawati wal ardi wa ikhtilafil layli wan nahari wal fulki allati tajri fil bahri bima yanfa'u an-nas wa ma anzala Allahu minas samai min ma'in fa ahya bihi al-arda ba'da mawt wa bassa fiha min kulli dabbatin wa tasrifir riyah was sahabil musakhkhari bayna as-samai wal ardi la ayatin liqawmin ya'qilun. So many phenomena of nature are enumerated here, and then Allah says in each of them are signs But those who use their intellect, who use their faculty of reasoning and inferring, people who don't use it, Quran says that they are not human beings, they are animals in the form of human beings. And not only that they are animals only, they are less than animals. لهم قلوب لا يفقهون بها ولهم أعين لا يبصرون بها ولهم آذان لا يسمعون بها أولئك كالأنعام بل هم أضل. They are like animals, rather lower down than them, because animals were created at that level. And this man was given the faculty. He had the Amrullah within him, the divine spark, which some of the Western scholars and philosophers use this word, divine spark in man. Well, that divine spark is the Ruh, the spirit. Man is the custodian of this divine element in him. That is why the angels were made to bow before him. He was masjud malaik. In this Ruh, that iman, perfect iman is present. The gnosis of Allah and His attributes, the marfa and the mahabba, the love for Allah, both are present in the heart